Okay, we are finally back. Yeah. I don't know what to say because first of all, I'm really bored, and that was scared me for a moment. I was like, wait a minute, what? Is camera angle not right? I was just really looking forward to things going back to normal. Where is my... Thank you so much for helping us. Campaign? Capatech? I don't know how to pronounce it. We're lucky you were able to help us. Okay. It wasn't all too bad, Holly. There were just a few tiny rocks, but not like they're skirting around. Tiny rocks? You nearly set us off the cliff, right into a cliff. So dumb. My crew was a little bit too horses, but now we must start sail again. Right. What would we do with all these horses? Well, I'll have to work something out. Some of them need to be rebuilt. But horses are resistant animals. I'm sure they'll be fine in time. And it'll be lovely to have more life into this island again. It feels good going back to normal. Speaking of normal, Emma, did you by any chance see where Madison and NIGHTDUS went? No. So, yeah, we're gonna go up here. Oh my god, I just realized I need to do my daily full. I'll do that later. Madison isn't here. Or here. Or here. Oops, I ran into the doggo's house. Or here, apparently. So I think that she'll be maybe around here. I'm gonna go check over here first. But yeah. So, like over here. Yeah, I think they are up here. Because they're not anywhere in the village. And this is like the only other place I can find them in the village. Or I guess the village? I'm not sure. There they are. I wish I got that frame because I was fitting around, Magic. She was posing. Emma, there you are. You must see this. Something is happening to NIGHTDUS. What is happening? NIGHTDUS, are you alright? Oh my god. He's so majestic! Nay, snort. Wow, NIGHTDUS! Nay. Welcome home. Welcome home. NIGHTDUS. Dad promised you can't stay at the farm as often as you like. Oh no. I know we should ride over to Hermit, sorry. I'm sure he's missed you. Emma, let's race to Hermit. Oh, I know. To be able to get to the village for magic. The village of magic, sorry, I'm confused. Where the wizards live. We need the magic flower. Do you remember? It's almost like last time, but its time is much better since it's me and NIGHTDUS now forever. Isn't that alright, NIGHTDUS? Nay. Oh no. Last one to Hermit. Last one to Hermit. Up in Controls the Harry. And don't forget the magic flower. Okay, we're going to race, and I'm probably gonna lose. Because this is only literally a level 4 horse. I'm just like doing this. Just like, I don't know if you're supposed to run into them or supposed to click on them. I don't know. Let's see what happens if I run into them. And you're supposed to grab onto them. Wow. I'm sorry, I'm being really quiet right now. Never actually took a turn like that. That's crazy. Okay, I just need 3 more. My computer's laggy right now and I don't know why. Probably because I'm recording, I don't know. Hut. Oh, no, we're gonna try. Does she have the, yeah, okay. I was making sure, I was like, wait, does she? But she does. Yeah, we'll go up here to here. Oh my god, he's so pretty. Emma Madison. Is that NIGHTDUS? Madison, what are you doing? Madison, who are you? Who are you? You mustn't run away like that. Your family has been so worried about you. Even I had to walk over to the farm and I had to speak to almost three people in one day. Hmm? Yeah? There's a horse the horse there missed you too. But don't ever do that again. Promise? What does subtle dad look like? I don't know, I'm like very big. Okay. That's cute. Tee, I've missed you too. And I know who else you missed. NIGHTDUS? Is it really you? What? He's interesting. You have no idea what we've been through. Emma and I went speaking like ninjas. Well, we're speaking like ninjas. Or speaks. I don't know. Like ninjas. And we defeated the Mother Prime. And then we freed the horses and the Pentleman showed up. Mr. Ed? Yes. You've seen him. He's always roaring at Emma. Was so cool as a cucumber. I like cucumbers. Yeah. I would love to hear about it all. Would you like to step inside? I'll make you a cup of tea and you will tell me all about it, about your adventure. Where do we actually go inside? That's weird. I don't think we actually get to go inside. I think it's just gonna show us that and that'll be it. That'll be like the rest of the quest. Yeah, anyway, a while later. A little while later. Emma, I didn't hear that. But I would like to say thank you. Thank you for saving Madison and Midnight. And why did I say Midnight? NIGHTDUS. I suppose NIGHTDUS's new appearance is due to Simber. I don't know. And Mr. Arrow gave him. I think the one. Right. Excuse me. Nay, Emma. I want you to have something. A very special thing. Oh, also, sorry I wasn't reading earlier. Take care of it. Emma, even it's Nay, it seems like NIGHTDUS wants to come back to you. Teehee. We're constant. Okay. Down, we have to take care of it. It's not even close to my inventory. But I actually do like this. Because, wait a minute. Is that? Oh, I thought it was like, I think it's moving. Go here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Come on and see more. Bye! Also, sorry these videos are really long. It's the last one.